Who is an atheist? Who is an agnostic? Is an atheist the same with agnostic? And do we have references of such personalities in the Vedas or in the Indian thought, Indian philosophy? Is one question. The word atheist is commonly referred to as Nastika in some Indian languages, but whereas the word agnostic and atheist are prevalent in Indian philosophical thought, philosophical arguments. Nastika is the one who does not believe in the supremacy of Vedas. A person who says that there is no Ishvara or there is no God, he is not Nastika according to the Indian philosophies. Nastiko Vedanindaka. When you do not accede to the supremacy of Veda, you become Nastika. That is the scriptural position. Apart from that, who is an atheist? Theist and atheist are two widely used Western words, especially in English we use those words. In a sense, atheist is the person who does not believe the existence of God, whereas the agnostic is a person who does not say that there is no God. He says that he never says that there is no God, but he is skeptic. There could be the possibility of the existence or might not be, because that is inconclusive. That is agnostic. In Indian thought, the Indian heritage, we have got several persons who profess those lines and those who have preached. Charvaka is one school of thought. Charvaka literally means charu vak. Charu means beautiful. Vak means the speech. One who is endowed with beautiful speech was called as Charvaka. Charvaka thought said that there is no scope for rituals. These are all wastage of time and effort, and it is not possible to revive any life, and there is no rebirth. That was one way of thought. At first glance, the words of Charvakas were very pleasing to the ear, but their after effects and their profession, when people started to profess this, it led to anarchy in the entire society. Hence, Charvaka made its decline. Similarly, there are many other philosophers who said that there is no Ishvara, there is no scope for Ishvara, your karma itself is everything. There were such thinkers and philosophers. We had room for all of them. They were agnostics. Some of them were atheists, some of them were agnostics, and they are different. And Indian philosophy had such philosophers who were preaching their line of thought. Jai Guru Datta.